In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Meta Business Suite. First, we need to begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find this app usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. It has a colorful icon that looks like a shopping bag with the Play Store logo. Once you tap on it, the screen will load various apps and games available for download. This is the marketplace where you can find and install many applications. Having access to the Google Play Store is essential because it ensures that you are downloading official and secure applications. Next, you will want to search for Meta Business Suite. At the top of the Google Play Store, there is a search bar. Tap on this bar and your keyboard will appear. Type in Meta Business Suite and make sure to spell it correctly. After typing, press the search button on your keyboard. The search results will display various apps related to your query. This step is crucial because it helps you find the exact application you need, avoiding any confusion with similar apps. Now, verify that the developer is Meta Platforms Inc. In the search results, you will see a list of apps. Look for Meta Business Suite and check the developer information below the app name. It should clearly state Meta Platforms Inc. This verification step is important because it ensures you are downloading the official app. Downloading from the right developer keeps your data secure and gives you access to all the features you need. Once you confirm the developer, tap Install. This button should be located right next to the app name. When you press it, the app will begin downloading. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This installation process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. It's reassuring to know that once this step is complete, you'll have the power of Meta Business Suite at your fingertips. After the app downloads, it will automatically install on your device. You might see a notification indicating that the installation is complete. This means that the app is now ready to use. It's important to allow this process to finish, as interrupting it could lead to a corrupt installation. Once installed, you can find the app in your app drawer or on your home screen. Now tap Open to launch Meta Business Suite for the first time. The app icon will be displayed on your screen. Tapping it will take you into the app, where you can manage your business accounts seamlessly. The interface will guide you through the initial setup, making it easy to navigate. This step is vital as opening the app marks the beginning of managing your business activities effectively. Next, you will need to log in with your Facebook account. The app will prompt you for your Facebook credentials. Enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. This step connects your business accounts to Meta Business Suite. It's important to use the correct account, as this is how you will manage your pages and insights. Finally, select or connect your Facebook page or Instagram business account. Once logged in, the app will show you options related to your existing business accounts. You can choose which accounts to manage or add new ones if necessary. This final step is crucial for ensuring you have access to all your business tools in one place. With everything set up, you can confidently manage your business through Meta Business Suite.